Hey guys, just wanted to say if you want to go along with what I'm doing today, stay tuned because I'm gonna make Jello. I've got a room full of boxes. I'm not kidding. It's a hot mess. I'll show you that and explain that in 1 second. Well, now that my Jello is in the making, let's check out what is going down in this room. Okay, this is trash. These are all boxes. I used to sell stuff on Amazon, and all that stuff there are items that, and down there, that Amazon returned back to me. Here's the deal. I sent everything to Amazon in a big box to sell. The items that didn't sell, when I decided I didn't want to sell through Amazon fulfillment, I went ahead and told them to send it back to me. Well, they thought it was funny to send every item in its own little box. That's why this looks like such a mess, because I have so many boxes. So I am in the process of tearing them down. Each one of these has a label, like it's A1 is their number. So I'm keeping one open, tearing down all the others, and I'm keeping them because I also sell on eBay, and why pay for boxes when they're free? So this is just a mess, and I've got to somehow organize this because I can't stand it. So I haven't quite opened all the boxes. I still have to do that, and then I have to tear them down. So anyway, hopefully this can get done quickly. Okay, believe it or not, I am making progress. You can see my new tile floor. Yay! Here's my closet. I've got the boxes for shipping there. For the post office, some up there. I've got extra envelopes way up there. But I have this shelf that I've kind of cleaned off and do some better organizing. I've got those envelopes there, some poly mailers, my printer for my labels, some more poly mailers, and that's some stuff I need to sell. But these shelves are empty. I've got to figure out how I want to organize this chaos and get it listed. And then I'm not sure what to do with all these boxes, y'all. So I'm thinking I might have to tear down all the boxes and just shove them in the corner. I am actually trying to avoid tearing the box down and not knowing if the item I need is going to fit. I'd like to have like a sample box, but I really don't have the space for sample boxes, okay? So I don't know what I should do. That's a dilemma. Might need any rope, Power Ranger stuff, tea kettle, games, squishy stuff, Nike shoes, scrapbook stuff. It's out of control. Okay, this is just the stuff that I had listed on Amazon. Everything's brand new, so I want to start working on getting it listed, but for now I want to organize this room. So stick with me while I organize this chaos. I called my boyfriend to vent about the chaos that I'm in with this box and the dilemma I have about all the boxes, and he said, Gail, if the boxes have a number on them that Amazon uses, surely they have it online what the sizes for those boxes are. Amazon's big enough and they're smart enough. And I'm like, well, darn it, you're smart too. So I looked it up, and sure enough, 1BF label box is a certain size. So I'm going to tear them all down. And the ones that aren't Amazon, like this one is Walmart, and they have a number, S2-18, but it also has the actual measurements. So I am good and excited. So yeah, making progress. Floor space. More boxes. Anybody need some knives? Knives, Magic Chef knives. Yes, so this is going to be great. All that trash, I might get rid of the trash in a second just so I can feel better about this mess. Okay, update, I'm making progress. Check this out. Boxes lined up against the wall. These are kind of the skinnier ones, or not as deep, and these are a little deeper, but I'll probably just stack them all together. Over there is the bubble wrap, that sort of stuff. I still have all this inventory, and packaging stuff. And then over here, I went in and put those really small boxes up there because I'll probably go through those pretty quickly. I'm actually making progress. I can walk in the room. I can see the floor. It's not perfect, but I'm getting there. Now, I have to decide how I want this inventory to be handled. Some I've listed, some I haven't. I don't have storage shelves. All I have is this. So I got to figure out how to pile this stuff in a way that I can see it, one, and I know where it's at, so when I need to sell it, I can grab it, and where it takes up the least amount of space. So that's what I'm going to work on now. I am done, so check it out. You can see it looks a lot better from the initial setup. So I listed these books for sale. I've got a couple big items I need to sell, and all of this stuff on the shelves are inventory and packing supplies. There's some more inventory, and I got these little bubblies things I need to sell. And then over here is all of my torn down boxes and packing supplies. There's a little bit of inventory there, but I couldn't get those boxes to stay up, so I put another box of inventory there. So this is much better. Thank you so much for joining this journey with me of cleaning my, I don't even know what this is. It's supposed to be a spare bedroom, but it's been more like an inventory room, and it just got to be a hot mess when everything was returned to me by Amazon in individual boxes. So I feel much better now that I got everything in order. I know this isn't the most exciting video, but I do appreciate you taking time to watch it, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye, y'all.